My name is Mandume Hasheni, and I'm the 2024 Nedbank Kapana Cook-off Competition winner. I realized in 2021, when I started off cutting Kapana with my brothers, because I just used to help. I didn't really know how to cut Kapana or make Kapana, but as time went by, I learned, and then I have a lot of experience now. Single quarters, I've been there since I was young, since I was maybe 10 years old. But then the Kapana, I just started making Kapana 2021, so now it's 4 years now. My plan is I want to look for a great spot for me to put up my trailer and start up my business and sell a variety of food. But I cannot do it on my own because I'm still going to school, so I was thinking of maybe employing 2 people that can help me run the trailer while I'm busy with my studies. Yes, business is actually in our family because my dad is a businessman, he's self-employed, as well as my mom is also a businesswoman. She just sells stuff. All I have to say is for everyone that wants to take part in the Nedbank Kapana and all the people that took part before, even if they did not win, I'm just encouraging them to keep on trying again, and they must also learn from their mistakes. If this year you did not win, try and find out where did you go wrong, why did I not win, and try and improve on that every year, and you must not give up.
Na mai kuatere. Ai trogo ya kuatere, me shira.